The look on your face told me we'd be alright. Walking down the sidewalk as we took a ride off a riverside drive. Wasn't something you said, you were so carefree. With all that's on my mind, used to find a way to get to me. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. I had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. Got me staring at you. I was lost in a daze, waiting at the crosswalk, nothing to say. Asked if I was okay. I started to smile, couldn't help myself. Said it's been a while since I felt this kind of peace inside. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year. Had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine. I found it in your eyes, right there on Riverside, a little sunshine. It's been a hard year, had a lot of dark nights, and we're still waiting on some daylight. I need a little sunshine. Oh, it's been a hard year, had a lot of dark nights, yeah. And we're still waiting on some daylight to reappear. Na 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 na, smoke to clear. Na 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 na, I need a little sunshine.
In due season, I'ma pay back everything you gave, and I mean it. All the tears cried and the prayers prayed, yeah, I need it. All the time sowed and the lessons learned, I'm reaping. Here's the reason. Pops taught me how to be a man. Mama taught me how to understand. I'll never be the other man. If I trust in him, he got better plans. I'ma give you everything you wanted that you never had. We moving on to the finer things. I just wanna give you better days.
How do I tell the man where a boy used to be how much having him in my life means to me? You don't have to be perfect to be great, but in my eyes, son, you will always be great. I love you, son.
I remember so vividly when I was blinded by all of the insecurity, feeling so way down. Then you came in and lifted me up, and you spoke these words into my heart. This job's never easy, but never be quick to give up, 'cause it ain't over till the Lord says that it's over. These words never leave my mind, stay helping me day and night. Oh, you paved the way so I can live right.
First of all, I have to tell you how extremely proud of you we are just to see you journey through life and learning that God never fails. And I pray that you be rooted and established in his love. We love you dearly. So proud of you.
In due season, in due season, was a reason. In due season, season. In due season, in due season. Yeah, you knew there was a reason. In due season, season.
Oh, you remind me of the seasons. My favorite part of you is spring. And I know there's no rush, but this ain't no ordinary crush. So the faster you fall, the longer we'll have to be in love. I'd like to smell your hair someday. I think your hair's my favorite thing. Oh, 'cause it suits you well like an older me. When I grow into the man you need, and with all these thoughts inside my head, I don't know you well enough to be in love. This is just a crush. Oh, this is just a crush. Oh, I like to kiss all of your face, and I wanna see you when you're naked. Now I don't wanna rush, 'cause this ain't no ordinary crush. But the harder you fall, the more you will know what it's like to be loved. And now we meet, and I try to speak, but all I get is rosy cheeks, and then a rush of blood. It makes me blush, because I love that face so much. And now my heart's just weeping, but my mouth stays shut, 'cause I know that if I tell you that I'm falling in love, you'll ask for my name, and that'll wake me up. So for the rest of my life, yeah, you'll always just be my crush. 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 Oh. 'Cause you remind me of the seasons. My favorite part of you is spring. I've been running all my days, and all my troubles have found a better way. And I've been trying to clear my head of all the useless words I never said. But oh,